In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi Note 13 and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Display. Then scroll all the way down and click on Font. Now you can tap on the best one for you in order to apply it. And hit Free or Buy it over here. Lastly, just select Apply and wait. So when I go back, as you can see, style of my font has changed. If you want to go back to the default one, you can access the same settings. But this time click on My account at the bottom right corner and select Fonts. Now tap on Roboto, select Apply and hit Reboot in the pop-up. Lastly, just wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!